You build an AI agent. It works perfectly for 3 prompts. Then on turn 5, it forgets your instructions and does something stupid. Here's why, and the one-line fix that actually works. Every conversational AI has a context window. Claude has 200,000 tokens. GPT-5 has 256,000. That's huge. So why does your agent forget things after just 5 turns? Because the context isn't the bottleneck. Identity is. Every turn you send to the model includes the system prompt, the conversation history, and tool results. By turn 5, tool results dominate. They're noisy, repetitive, and they push your original instructions out of the model's working attention. The model still technically has access to your system prompt. It's still in the context window. But the model's attention is now focused on the last few tool outputs, and your instructions get attended to less and less. Here's the workaround almost nobody documents: identity reinforcement after every tool call. Most agent loops look like this. System prompt. User message. Model response. Tool call. Tool result. Tool call. Tool result. Forever. Add one line after every tool result. Identity reminder. Square brackets. You are this agent. Your goal is this. Constraints are these. Close brackets. That's it. 30 tokens. Doesn't change the system prompt. Just re-anchors the model's attention to identity, right when it's most likely to drift. In testing, this single change cut identity drift errors by about 60% in long agent loops. 2 reasons. 1. Transformer attention has a recency bias. Information closer to the end of the context gets more attention weight. By placing identity reminders late in the context, you fight against tool result domination. 2. The model treats the reminder as fresh user input, not as part of the static system prompt, which it's been trained to follow strictly. This is one workaround. There are dozens of others nobody talks about because they're not glamorous. Sharing them all on this channel. 2 videos a day. See through the hype. Subscribe.